Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Vid Stock Graphics, which is the world's largest cloud-based one-click searchable platform with more than 120 million plus royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animation, audio tracks and more, and also plus get our premium one-click image, video and music editor where you can customize and create beautiful marketing content to skyrocket your sales and conversions in minutes. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.